So today we're going to discuss about microservices. So we'll be discussing about microservices versus what APIs are. The three main questions that we'll be dealing with are what are microservices, what are APIs, where are APIs used in microservices. So firstly, what are microservices? So microservices or microservice architecture is an architectural style of software development that uh, uh, that that structures an application as a collection of small autonomous services. So it structures individual services and connects all of them. So in uh, so it structures individual autonomous services and it orients them uh, and models them around a particular business domain. So, in a microservice architecture, each service is self contained and implements a single business capability. So let's say that you have an e-commerce application. So when you open your e-commerce application, the home page opens. So displaying the home page will be done by one particular microservice. So one service will display the home page. Now let's say you click on some item and you move your item into the cart. So moving your item into the cart, another microservice will take care of that job. Now, once you go to your cart and you check out, you will be moved into the payment page. So the payment will be done in one particular service. One particular microservice will take care of payment as well. So that's what a microservice is. Now, how did people, what was there before microservices? Now, before the microservices came into picture, industries were using the monolithic architecture. So, what happens in a monolithic architecture is basically that you have all the features fit into uh, one group or one particular application itself, one particular service itself. So, you will have uh, all the functionality and all the features in one particular service itself. So you'll have displaying of items, uh, moving of items to the cart, and buying of that item from cart in one service itself. So that's what is a monolithic service. In microservices, all these services are distributed and each service operates autonomously. So that's what a microservice is. Now, what are APIs? So, API stands for an application program interface, or it's most commonly known as APIs. It is a way through which different microservices communicate with each other. So, uh, let's say again on Amazon that you have requested for a phone. So you're trying to buy a phone and you add your phone into the cart and you're trying to purchase the phone. So when you or even before that, let's say you type phone. Let's say you want iPhone and you type iPhone on your search bar. So when you type iPhone on your search bar, a particular result will be sent through from your search microservice uh, it'll be sent through an API to some other microservice that will retrieve the pages that the sellers that are selling iPhone, and it'll come through the API again into your particular display microservice, and it'll display all the iPhones that are being sold by different sellers. So this is how an API works. API communicates between different microservices. So yeah, when you type phone on a search box, that particular request will be sent through an API to uh, respective functionality or feature that will retrieve data from the database, and that data will be sent uh, as a post protocol through the API, and it'll come to this display microservice and it'll be displayed on the page.